so it's a hard thing. Anyway, my name is Neeta Singh, and I'm honored to be your anchor for today's event. I'm delighted to share my journey with philosophy. It began during my undergraduate years at Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, where I pursued my BA with honors in philosophy. The profound teachings of Indian philosophy ignited a passion within me, inspiring me to delve deeper into the subject. And this led me to pursue my MA in philosophy from the University of Allahabad in 2014. Fortunately, I was the gold medalist in both my BA and MA programs from these two central universities. And driven by a thirst for knowledge and desire to contribute to the field, I embarked on a remarkable journey to obtain my PhD. However, I cleared my national eligibility test and junior research fellowship exams during my post-graduation only. My research was focused on applied philosophy. That is basically what's the implication and application of philosophy. This is not just an armchair philosophy. So exploring in its practical implications and relevance in our complex world. In 2018, I successfully completed my doctoral studies, enriching my understanding and appreciation for philosophy even further. Then I taught philosophy for 1 year on a contractual basis in Jharkhand. Since November 2019, I have been fortunate to serve as an assistant professor of philosophy at Banaras Hindu University, where I have the privilege of sharing my passion for philosophy with eager young minds. Presently, 6 research scholars are pursuing their PhD programs under my supervision. I have had the privilege of organizing numerous academic seminars and workshops. I have presented over 20 papers at various national and international conferences. Furthermore, I have published nearly 13 research papers on various philosophical issues in numerous journals, and I have co-authored 1 book on logic. So I have been bestowed with 10 different awards for my academic excellence as a scholar of philosophy, although very small national awards, but yeah. I have had the privilege of serving as an editor for 2 volumes of the esteemed philosophy journal, Anvikshiki, published by the Department of Philosophy and Religion at Banaras Hindu University. And these experiences and small accolades have enriched my perspective, further fueling my passion for philosophy and my commitment to academic excellence. So Indian philosophy has been the bedrock of my intellectual journey, shaping my perspective and fueling my aspirations. Its timeless wisdom and profound insights have been instrumental in shaping my path and instilling within me a deep appreciation for the subject. I am grateful for this opportunity to be surrounded by individuals who share a passion for philosophy and a dedication to exploring the relevance of Indian philosophy in a contemporary context. I feel truly honored to be a part of this enlightening 2-month program, and I express my heartfelt gratitude to the High Commission of India in Wellington for graciously hosting this event. Your support and dedication to promoting Indian knowledge systems, culture, and intellectual growth are truly commendable. This workshop holds immense significance in our lives, both personal and professional, especially in this fast-paced world that often leaves us yearning for deeper meaning and purpose. Under the guidance of our esteemed instructor, Professor J.L. Shaw, we are privileged to explore the relevance of Indian philosophy in the context of our contemporary lives. Professor Shaw's vast knowledge and expertise in this field make him an invaluable guide, and we are grateful for his dedication to fostering cross-cultural understanding through education. During the course of this workshop, we will dive, definitely, deep into the timeless concepts of Indian philosophy, including Nyaya, Vedanta, and Buddhism, among others. Through lectures, discussions, and presentations, we will gain a deeper understanding of these profound teachings and how they can be applied in our daily lives. Our aim is not only to acquire knowledge, but also to embrace these principles and incorporate them into our personal growth and societal well-being. So this workshop is not merely an intellectual exercise, it is an opportunity for collaboration and exchange among participants from diverse backgrounds. As we engage in meaningful conversations, share personal insights, and debate various perspectives, we realize the universal nature of the principles espoused by Indian philosophy. Together, we will explore how these teachings can guide us on a path of self-discovery, compassion, and interconnectedness. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, It is essential to recognize the profound relevance of Indian philosophy in addressing the challenges of our time. I once again extend my heartfelt gratitude to Professor J.L. Shaw for his dedication and passion in organizing and instructing this workshop. Let us embrace this opportunity to explore the depths of Indian philosophy and together build a brighter and more harmonious future. Thank you for allowing me to share a glimpse of my personal and academic journey with you. I am excited to embark on this transformative workshop together and delve into the captivating world of philosophy. And may this workshop mark the beginning of a profound and enriching experience for us all. Jai Hind. Thank you.